Hello and welcome back to my channel Tech Jupiter. So how are you friends? What's going on? So what's going to be today's topic, right? Yes, today's topic going to be very exciting. You can see right here, use your pen drive as a virtual RAM. So we all know that the importance of RAM. It's a mainly RAM is a, as you all know that RAM is a main memory of your computer. So as much RAM you have, the system performance also depends on the amount of RAM, right? But just imagine that you have a less amount of RAM, around 2 GB or 4 GB of RAM you have in your computer. But what happened? The system start lagging when you are processing a application which is required more amount of RAM, right? So for that purpose, you can use your pen drive. We all have pen drive, right? And we can use our pen drive as a virtual memory. There is a feature inside your operating system. With the help of that feature, you can utilize your pen drive and it will act as a virtual RAM, right? So that thing we would understand today, how it works and what is the main concept behind it. Not only the we know to do the practical, but also we will going to understand the main concept behind it. Okay, so let's get started today, friends. As you can see here, in my computer I have inserted a pen drive of around 1 GB. So it's a very old pen drive I'm using. For your case, you can use 4 GB, 8 GB, or whatever amount of flash drive you have, you can just insert it. Okay, similarly, the way I'm doing here, you also can do the same. See, here is the pen drive I have inserted. Okay, now before going to perform this task, let me show you from where you can see that how much amount of RAM you have. It's very simple, just minimize it and right click into this PC icon, go to the properties option here, and you can see there that I have only 4 GB of RAM in my computer. For your case, might be 8 GB, 16 GB, or more than that. So 4 GB I have RAM, so I should definitely perform this task, right? It is strongly recommended for my case actually. So what happened, how to do that? You just insert your pen drive, make sure there is no any data inside your pen drive. Just right click over your pen drive, go to properties option, and from here a option called ready boost. So ready boost is basically a feature in your operating system which will speed up your system by utilizing the available space on this device. It is clearly mentioned over here. You can see also below, while the device is being used for system speed, the received space will not be available for file storage. Okay, so it will not going to be happen like that. You are using this USB drive as a virtual RAM, and simultaneously you are also utilizing the same pen drive to store your data. It will not going to be happen. Okay, that's what it is written here. So here I am going to do what, I am going to select the third option, use this device, and amount of space is automatically, it's 1 GB pen drive, so that amount is automatically, I can increase the space also, no problem. So use my entire pen drive, and right after that I need to click on apply and click on OK. So as soon as you have applied this feature, you can see your entire space of your pen drive being utilized as a virtual memory or virtual RAM, right? So what is the concept actually? What is the concept? Why it is happening? What is happening, I mean, inside the computer? The concept is cache, basically. CACHE, cache. The word cache, I hope you guys previously heard about it. Cache memory, right? Cache is a concept basically. Okay, it's a, you can also observe that whenever you are installing application in your mobile, there is some cache, right? And periodically you need to remove the cache to make it more faster to work. So cache is basically a area where the temporary files or whatever process is going on, the small bit of information is being stored in the cache memory, right? So for computer, whenever we shut down or restart our computer, the cache memories automatically get deleted. And for mobile smartphone, we not used to do restart and shut down so oftenly, right? So that's why manually we need to perform that task. So cache memory is nothing, it's just an area. Whenever you are processing anything for the first time, small bit of information are stored inside the cache memory also. For the next time, cache memory helps to perform faster your computer by providing the information or providing the data from the cache memory, right? So this is basically your pen drive is basically work as a cache of your main memory, that is RAM. That's it. That is the very simple funda. There is nothing rocket science behind it. That is the concept you should learn. So that is the performance, that is the practical task we have done. Now we are going to verify our practical what we have done. So how we are going to verify it? Nothing, you need to go to the search option. You need to manually type here performance monitor. Previously I have already typed, so it is coming automatically, that's why. Manually if you type like PERFC, it is automatically coming, and just click it. So from here we are going to analyze the performance. If we are performing, we are executing any application in our computer, our pen drive, which will act currently as a cache of our main memory, is utilizing or not. So for that purpose you need to click here, performance monitor. You should remove this one, okay? We are only going to see the performance of our pen drive, right? So for that purpose we need to click add, the plus sign, the green plus sign I have clicked, and you need to find out your cache. Just scroll down. Ready boost cache, okay? So ready boost is the feature, and it is acting as a cache memory. As I have already told you, you can see the details of it. Just select it, make it add, and click on OK. So as soon as you clicked on OK, you can see that it is already in use. That's why the graph is actually fluctuating. You will better understand if you process any application right now, and you can see the fluctuation will going on. Suppose I am going to open virtual workstation right now. As soon as I click the virtual workstation, you can see the graph actually fluctuating, right? That means very clear that whenever you are utilizing or you are opening or you are executing any application or file, it is making impact. It is making impact directly to your pen drive, which will act as a cache of your main memory, right? So how cool is this feature, right? So nothing to worry about. If you have a less amount of RAM, 4 GB, 6 GB, you can use this feature. You can add another 8 GB of your RAM and fully dedicated, make it dedicated to your computer, and tell your computer, don't worry, I have a pen drive, and take my pen drive and utilize it as a RAM. See how cool this features is, right? So I hope right after watching this video you can implement this practical by your own. And if you want to make it, if you want to make your pen drive again as a use as a data storage, so you need to click here again, go to properties, go to ready boost feature, and here you need to click again the previous option, do not use this device, okay? And click on apply and okay. So your pen drive is not going to be used as a virtual RAM anymore. It is used as a storage area, right? Is a storage area, means it's a uh, flash memory. You can use it as a flash memory, that is EPP RAM, right? Sorry, ROM, EPP, electrically erasable programmable ROM. So you are using your pen drive as a ROM again. So thank you so much for watching this video. If this video help you, you can like it, you can subscribe my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and in the comment box please share your feedback, how you like this video. Is video is very helpful or not? You can request me for any concept, any other video, for any other video I will try to make it out. Okay, so thank you so much guys, goodbye, take care.